HISD is committed to providing a high-quality education for every child, regardless of where they live in the district or what school they choose to attend. As parents prepare their students to enter HISD for the school year, online enrollment is ready in the HISD Connect Parent Portal. To get started, go to www.houstonisd.org. Click the gold star Enroll Now icon at the top of the screen. Choose new students from the Ready to Get Started options. To view in another language, click the purple Translate Language button on the left side of the screen. If using a mobile phone or tablet, click Menu. Then click Tools for Parents and Students. Then the Enroll Now link. And click New Students under Ready to Get Started. If you already have an HISD Connect account, sign in with your login information. If you are new to HISD and need to create an account, select Create Account. Here, you will create an account with your email address. Then, you can sign into your account to view and complete the online enrollment application. Remember, you must have an email address in order to advance in the enrollment process. Don't have an email address? We suggest that you create a free email account online using your preferred email provider. Or, you can use the email account service found in the Enrollment Create an Account page. Also, the required documents for enrollment can be uploaded on the online form. If you are using a phone or tablet, or do not have an electronic copy of a document, you can upload documents by taking a picture of the physical copies with your phone or tablet, and then upload the picture to the form.